In this video, I will explain how to develop the Android WebView concept. So this is a demo for the Android WebView. Actually, this application has number of features like the side navigation bar. For that, you can add the social media networks and also add the contact information. And moreover, you can able to integrate the Google banner ads. So this is the source code for that. If you are plan to get the source code, just visit the URL. This is my blog. After getting the URL, you have to pay the particular amount for the 600 rupees. Or if you are out of from the India, then you have to pay the $10. After that, I have sent the complete source code for convert the website into mobile application, and this application source code for already published from the Google Play Store. So it means you did not get any error message from the Google site. For example, the violation. Some of the source code getting the violation for some of the reason, but this source code you did not get any violation from the Google Play Store. So you can't purchase the code without any hesitation. If you have any doubts or queries, you can call or WhatsApp in this number for the doubts. And thanks for watching. And moreover, I click on particular link for browse the navigations. So I click Arlington Works, and this is a home page. So as usual, and the app also the good, and you can also share the app in the social media accounts. Okay, fine. I hope you can able to understand the concept, and Google Ads also showing. It's like the website. Okay. So okay, thank you.